we can start with Mushu. This is Mushu. He's very handsome. He's a boy. Hopefully he has 2 testicles. I'm pretty sure he does. 1135. I emailed to schedule appointments.
Yeah, I saw that. Did they get you some good ones?
Not yet, but they probably will.
Hello.
Look, it's your new friend.
Hello, you're so cute.
You got wounded.
Oh, upstairs.
So everybody watching, if this is your first time, this is Dr. Fabulous from Mountainview Veterinary Hospital, and she is kind enough to do house calls, among many other things.
Ferguson, Renee.
Yeah, Dr. Ferguson, if you just met her.
So we are just checking these kittens out from head to toe and making sure that they are healthy and no heart murmurs and that their teeth are aligned, and we'll give them their first set of vaccinations, and then I feel like we're going to be able to get them in next week, and we'll do your neuters and stuff, and then hey, you'll have some immunity for your first visit. You're so cute. Okay, face jelly.
So cute. So cute. Good morning. I feel like we're missing 2, but I left 2 upstairs.
Hi, Benny. How about Princess Hi? No heart murmur.
Okay, that's a long pause.
Hi, Beth. How are you? Yeah. You're very lucky.
Handsome.
Good. And none of these guys, they had mild upper respiratory, right?
They just had like a couple of them had a little bit of eye runniness, but like nothing really significant. No sneezing or anything like that. I forgot 2 of them upstairs. The kids.
You bring me something. I know you want this for the thermometer situation.
Oh, some
cleaner. Yeah, I brought the lube and the thermometer, just nothing to clean it. And
alcohol. Wait.
Yeah. Thank you. I know. How are you? I just love you. Yeah. Yay! You have 2 testicles. You won a neuter. So one of the things we check is to make sure that they have 2 testicles descended. Otherwise, it's a different surgery, or we'll wait a little bit longer just to make sure that that testicle is descended. Look at your polka dotted belly. It's fantastic. No hernias? Yeah. Is it true? Is it true? Hello. I know. Is it climbing? So his heart sounds good, his lungs are good, his mouth looks good, this kitten looks perfect. No, stay inside, dude. Yeah, what about this? You like that? You're very pretty. Look at you, little girl.
Mason and Puff Puff and these two kittens were all huddled up underneath the couch. I got one more kitten.
Like MIA?
No,
No,
he's just in the back middle of the couch. So.
No, where are these kittens? We were upstairs before taking some repeat blood work on Mason. How are you? Hello. You like him, hey? You like that old grandpa? Hello. Those are your vaccines.
So Moosh, you passed.
He's perfect.
Awesome.
He's perfect.
Perfect.
I know you don't want me to take his temperature, but I feel like I have to.
You can.
It's like you have to.
So one of the reasons to take temperature before doing vaccines is so that you know if they're having a vaccine reaction.
Right. So if they have some sort of adverse response to a vaccine, then you know because you know the temperature. And sometimes I will find that they have a high temperature. Don't worry about the yellow, it's just yellow saline on top. That they have a high temperature prior to vaccine, so we'll actually hold off. So that because if they have stuff going on, you don't want to vaccinate them. They might not get the right response to the vaccine, and what's the point of doing it if it's not going to work?
We have had a few with elevated temperatures that we've had to reschedule.
38.4.
Perfect.
Okay. So it's my habit to do the vaccine in the left front. So, oh, bye, Florentine. Good job. Good boy.
Yay.
He's lovely.
He's a good boy. He's very tall and lean. Good job, buddy. You passed your first test.
Mm-hmm.
Are you excited to go next, Florentine? This is the only girl.
I saw you having
Florentine.
cute claws. Give me away.
She does. She has 3 special toes. Oh, she's very excited.
You like your mom, huh?
Mm-hmm. She's a mini mama.
Yeah. I know. I'm sorry.
Oh,
you're busy. Good girl. See her mouth? Yeah.
she's got the fortitude. She was being so pleasant a few minutes ago. She's so well behaved.
Just making sure no ear infections, which usually, I mean, not usually, always, somebody like Shelly picks up ahead of time anyways, but while we're here, why not be thorough?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, face, yeah.
Look like this. What's this?
And her mouth looks great. It's palpating her abdomen, and I can feel her organs and her kidneys and her liver and her bladder is all in the right spot.
Yay, an appropriately located bladder. Oh my gosh.
You're cute. Let me feel your knees. And have a listen to your heart.
Hey, where are you going?
Good. No murmurs.
Yay!
Yay! You want a spay? Have you listened at all?
No, only when they were little. Only when they were little.
Okay, Miss Florentine.
This could be a dramatic moment.
We'll see how we do. She's been eating well and drinking well.
Yes.
And everything. I know, it was all her idea. Look at your hands. Is that from upstairs? Oh, good. And you got that one with me too.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Don't step on that. Oh no. Don't step on it.
My cat does that when I'm doing files too. Walks on my laptop.
He's gonna change the camera angle. Oh my gosh.
Perfect.
Oh my gosh. So
You're
horrible.
Perfect.
So horrible. Good
Shelly
girl.
dewormed them with Interceptor last week, which is perfect. Good job.
Are you so cute?
So what we're vaccinating for is feline rhinotracheitis, caliche, and panleukopenia. So that's awesome.
And this is the modified live virus.
Yes.
What are you guys doing, huh?
Which is different than the killed one that we give when they're younger or when the moms are pregnant.
Are you ready for this to be unveiled to you?
Ta-da! It'll be awesome surprise.
Yep. This is Hatch. He's...
I love him already.
I know, he's very adorable.
I just wonder what's like, what are we gonna do with this hole?
I know. I do have a cone I could put on him if that's, but it's weird that it's taking a long time to heal.
I worry that when I don't worry, I wonder when we neuter, we're gonna shave it and maybe explore it a little bit, see if there's something stuck in there
or poking out from inside.
What do you have in mind?
I don't know. Is it like, what if there was a bone fragment or something?
Oh, like in the toe?
Mm-hmm.
Whose toe was that?
Holly Bell, I think.
Bell. Let's look at the front end first before I get you upset.
Because it hasn't been pussy or anything.
And you said you've taken this temperature before, I think, too.
Mm-hmm.
It's never been elevated, right?
Mm-hmm.
You have the greatest smile.
And he's very rambunctious and eats a lot.
Say ah. You do. Oh, we didn't weigh Florentine.
Oh.
Come back here, you little scamp.
All right.
Come here. Come to me. Oops. One day I'm going to have an orange cat again.
Oh, we can supply that to you.
Hmm.
We could supply you several today.
Come here.
Oh, so scampy. 9:54. Look at Hatchie, he's so cute.
Hi. Listen,
Oh, now you want to come back in?
It's good.
It's good. Oh, good. Yay.
Where are you, buddy? Get your nose high. What makes you think it would be bone though?
I didn't see. I haven't been able to feel anything. I think it's probably just from him chewing on it for so long. Because I had the sock off for like 5 minutes and he completely chewed it.
Right.
And that was only a couple days ago, so it was looking better than this before that.
He's had this for like 3 weeks now or something, right?
Yeah, no, it's been 4 weeks now. And you would think that he would heal fast since he's a kitten.
I think we need to, we'll shave it and then explore it and then maybe remove that period,
Okay.
like tissue and put a couple, like, and just see. And then maybe like a cone or the t-shirt or whatever works after.
Yeah. Because it was kind of a weird thing how it happened in the first place. And it was like too shallow, but like they weren't super deep, but they were kind of deep. I don't know. And
What are you doing?
Here,
Hi.
you tell you
Can you do it? Can you help?
I'll figure it out.
Okay, I'm going to just poke him a little. Quietly.
These guys have pretty subtle equipment.
Did you find 2 equipments on him?
I feel like I did at one point, but they're pretty subtle.
Yeah, I think there's 2 equipments on him, I think. By equipment, I mean testicles.
You don't have to use the preschool term like me. Equipment. It took me a little.
Yay! I found that.
It took me a little.
You're so awesome.
It took me a little while, like, to be sure about their.
Yeah, no, I feel
because
confident. I feel confident Hat has his equipment.
Because they were so subtle. Everyone was just smooth back there for so long. We try not to talk about it too much, but
It's really important to us when we're making a surgical plan.
yes. If one testicle is hiding, that makes it a whole different surgery.
Yeah.
Like with Topper.
Right.
There's only 5 of them, but they sure are a handful.
They're really good shape though. This is awesome.
These are
Good job.
some of the healthiest kittens we've had in a long time.
Good job, Corsica. Good job.
Different colony. Healthier colony.
Still.
Unlike the ones across the street. Which is
However,
why they're
if
over
they
there.
keep reproducing, it wouldn't be a healthy colony.
Yeah.
Right? It'd be so good.
Although Evelyn wasn't that healthy.
No.
Oh, sorry.
He says I gotta go now. Like, I don't like the way this is looking. This lady is a jerk. We should wait him.
Okay.
I know, he says, I thought it was gonna be good and we were gonna talk about bugs.
1036.
This is the left.
You're too fluffy to get over that wall.
His abdomen feels really normal.
Okay.
His chest sounds normal.
Good.
I don't know.
I know it's
I've
weird.
never quite seen anything like that. Like, if it wasn't you, I would say, oh, he has a wound and
Yeah.
somebody missed it, you know, or something, but
Yeah.
nothing gets missed here, so. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You're a good kitty.
Good job.
And then last week they got their interceptor with.
Mm-hmm.
How did that go down?
Good.
They ate it quite
Oh,
well.
no problem. No problem.
Good job, bud.
Oh wait, I don't think you can go there without your shirt on because you're just gonna start chewing while we're not looking. Do you think I should try to keep it covered, or just let him chew it?
No, don't let him chew it. We should do him first, like I feel like, because there's only one girl, right?
Mm-hmm.
We can get them all done on the same day.
That'd be awesome.
I'm pretty sure we can. I'm gonna make it happen.
That'd be amazing.
And then, because I want him, because it's gonna take a little while to heal.
Mm-hmm.
I could try to bury the sutures too, but I still think it's gonna be time of keeping him away from that.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to be next? How much do you weigh? 1.032. Good job.
He's helpful.
I think he's like at the top of the class.
He is. He's a good boy.
He's a cutie.
And this is the one that gave Grandpa Mason the hug that melted the world.
Hi.
He's one of the ones that got eye drops too. He's still a little red. But
You're still doing eye drops?
no. But you tell me if you think I should. No, there's no discharge really, except what you see, like a tiny little crust, but there's
She's
just
a little
red.
pupillary membrane, eh?
Oh, on the right?
Well, he's just got really interesting eyes, actually.
Yeah,
Do you
the
see?
color is
Right?
Yep.
I wonder if that's pupillary membrane or it contracts really normal. But it's like his eyes are like his irises are two different colors.
They were interesting because they almost like didn't have blue eyes when they were born. Their eyes were already
You're so handsome.
changing. They changed very early. They never had really. Are you inside the basket, inside the litter box, going to the bathroom? That's nice. Good boy.
I just pooped in your basket.
In a basket in a box is like twice as good.
Hello. Good boy.
What a good boy. Those tabbies are out there causing trouble. Always the tabbies.
Can I turn you around? You can just hang this way. I'll listen to your little heart.
Good boy.
Is he trying to get it?
I think so. Pepper's I think distract him. Hey, what are you doing? I think it's still covered.
Just gonna turn it over. We have our first little murmur.
Oh, Scrammy. So
It's little, but it's there.
a little heart murmur for Scrammy. So
It's really little. Yeah. I think when they come in for his neuters, we re-listen and see if we maybe don't even rehear it or hear it again. It's really little, but I can hear it on the right. I just need to stretch out my leg. Sorry. So what a murmur is just an abnormal flow of blood in the heart, and like 10% of like puppies and kittens can have it as just like something innocent where they don't have anything. It can be normal, and then what can happen is we can hear it or not hear it the next time we hear him, just as he gets, a little older and bigger, and he gets, dewormed. Puppies and kittens have less red blood cells, so their blood is literally more watery, so it can sound a little different in their heart, and that's called a physiologic murmur, and that could be what we're hearing, or what we don't know for 100%, or is it possible that he has a little tiny structural abnormality in his heart, whether they have one of the vessels coming or going to the heart. Could it be a little bit more narrow? It's very little. The ones where I've heard major congenital abnormalities, I hear the really bigger than this. So I don't think, but we should probably recheck it. And if it's persistent, if it's louder, then what we would do is we would arrange for him to get an ultrasound done, so we can find out exactly what's going on in there.
That was Florentine doing the crashing. She's appropriately puffed. That's all the puffing she's able to do. Okay, so, and we've had several kittens with heart murmurs that have turned out to be innocent. I actually don't know if we've had
any to turn out.
Any that have been like...
I've had some through laps that have turned out to be, bigger stuff. So sometimes they do, but it's not very often.
Yeah.
That they actually turn out to be...
We've been lucky, but but it's really good that Dr. F is so good at picking them up, even when they're tiny, because we like people to have as much information as possible when they adopt, and if it's something that they need to follow up on, then
so we'll make sure that if needed, we'll get an ultrasound done. But we might see him next week when he's like 1 week older and he doesn't have a heart murmur anymore, and then you're all good.
Hi. Oh, help.
That's awesome.
These tabbies are trouble. Oops, sorry.
I'm sorry, dude. I have to grope him more.
Yeah, I feel like Fabergé's might be the most elusive. Although I haven't checked for a while.
There you go.
Good job, buddy.
Very good.
You're a good boy.
38.6. Perfectly normal.
Did we? Oh, and he weighed himself.
Yeah.
So that's good.
And knees and
vaccine and
testicle check. He's so cute. Okay, let's see your business. Sorry, dude.
I'm glad that you're also finding them to be difficult to...
Yay for you! Oh.
Oh, good job. You're not quite done yet, but almost.
Almost.
Such a good boy.
I like finding 2 testicles and no heart murmur.
Yeah. So you get 50%.
Very good.
Yeah.
You did fantastic.
Good job. So that's... Oh, we only have this one left. One more. Fabergé. He's very fancy. Ooh, 10:56.
Yeah?
You want to come back in?
Oh, hello. You checking out my stuff? I'll help you before you leave. Our patient Lauren's away. And I didn't think that he needed any eye ointment. I think
good.
That's fine. I think he had beautiful eyes.
Beautiful.
Hi. I'm sorry. Was that rude?
Oh my gosh. What's going on out there?
Nice job.
It's been so nice to have healthy kittens for once. Not something cardboard. I mean, aside from the minor hole. Oh gosh, they've been changing the camera angle. You guys are trouble. Producing the segment for us. You are very scampy.
Yeah, it's a normal heart.
Yay! Oh, look what's over there. Milk bar.
He's really substantial, eh?
Mm-hmm.
He's robust.
Robust. He has
Yeah.
big feet.
Yeah. How you?
She's very busy.
Sliding stall.
Yeah.
They're highly skilled.
Mm-hmm.
These are some mitts.
I know, aren't they big?
Awesome. Knees are good, lymph nodes are good, your tummy is good. Yeah, this is your business.
Yay!
These were actually quite easy to find today. That's awesome.
Yay! 2 manly testicles. And no lice like his friends.
They have lice?
The long-haired cats from this colony are the ones with lice.
Oh, it's easy to treat.
Oh, gosh. You're so scampy. Look, your brother's getting milk bar.
You're a sweet cat.
I know, she's so good. Oh no. Keep going. Oh no. She's changing the camera.
Yeah.
Here, all your papers.
Hi.
Corsica's like,
They all have normal temperatures.
that's so good.
I love this litter.
I know. It's so nice. Oh, she changed it again. Come here. Come here. Nobody wants to look at that. Oh no. Siri's asking what we need.
Okay.
Alright, oh yeah, now I'll actually focus and help you. Oh, those needles are.
Actually, they're not bad.
Oh.
They're very smooth, the top part.
Oh, that's good. Okay.
So what we watch after for vaccines is make sure no vomiting, diarrhea, swelling. Not very likely at all. But that's what if they're going to have an adverse response to a vaccine. But these are the Muriel vaccines, and it's rhinotracheosis, the bleaching, the panleukopenia. And probably most veterinarians' opinion are probably the best vaccine in this situation. Very unlikely to have a problem.
I don't think we've been using them for a long time, and
I love
I
them.
don't think we've ever had
It
a.
goes well. The problem.
No, I mean we've had lots of other problems, but I don't think ever specifically vaccine related.
Need to go find the unhealthiest cats and kittens on the planet and try to fix them. You may run into a problem.
Yeah. Occasionally. occasionally,
Like try to save them.
like one that won't stop climbing you. Is very rambunctious. He's very focused. You need to go hang out with Grandpa.
Look at that.
I know. They're so cute.
Should we just have a quick look at her?
Yeah, we can. Yeah.
Does she love you?
She is still super nervous about being.
I could try to slide my stethoscope down beside her. Do you want that?
Okay,
Yeah, why not?
I'll handle her front part because she does get a bit
She
punchy.
biting?
She'll put her teeth on. Do you have too many hearts in the
You can
vicinity?
hear lots of hearts. At least 2. This is the best. I love my job.
You're getting your stethoscope cleaned. Good girl. Whoops. Oh, she's a good girl. Come on, Dean.
John's good. What do your teeth look like usually? Your dental work, are you good? Let me shine the light.
It's okay, Mama.
Pretty good. She's missing something. Sorry. Good.
Sorry. Good job.
I'm settled like a bull.
That's how I am. They're used to it. Sort of. Got one. There are 2 up there? Oh.
There's 2, yeah. 8 ball. Oh, 8 ball. Thanks, guys. Should we go look at the other one?
Adorable. Alright, so pretty good.
They look awesome.
Pretty good to fill us
Yeah, and I
up.
couldn't hear any heart murmurs with her. And she's missing a couple of incisors there.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll have a better look, but nothing looks 911, but we will deal with it then.
Excellent.
Awesome.
Alright, you little scamps. I feel like you need to come upstairs and run with Grandpa for a little while. Have some Grandpa time. And maybe you too.
Just monkeying off the camera.
You're full of beans. Full of beans. Look at your well-behaved brothers all exhausted from their big day. Alright. Thank you, Dr. Ferguson. So we're going to head over to the tinykittens.com/hissy kittens if anyone would like to continue watching. I'm going to try to hide this cord.
You taking this?
Yeah.
Can I close it?
Yeah.
Or I'm gonna knock it down.
It wouldn't be the first time.
But I don't want to be that one.
Alright. So, let's see. Florentine, you're so scampy. Okay, that's pretty adorable. Pretty adorable. Okay. Alright, everyone, we'll see you. Are you gonna stay in here? I think you will.